Okay, I'm back in Palm Beach Garden and we ran into a little problem. If you look at this beam, if you look down this edge, you can see that the bottom flange of this beam is bent. And we don't know what happened. Probably after it was installed, somebody ran into it because I can see this little ding here. And that's not acceptable. The owner won't accept it. And the owner won't accept us just cutting that out and replacing it. So they want the entire beam replaced. And that is not easy. I not recommend taking a beam out after the building is complete. But that's where we are. And so this is a process I set out to replace that beam. You can see all of the shoring that we put in. We've taken all of the extra steel from the job to shore up the purlins. We've got the other half of the rafter beam up here that's still connected, and we've designed a column with some blocking down below. And since we didn't have a welding machine on the job, it is angled and clipped to the top. We have 3 telehandlers, one for moving the beam, one for lifting the beam with this cage that Vladimiro constructed on the forks, a third one to act as a safety measure to support the other half of the beam, and 2 man lifts, one behind me here and one over there to work on both ends of the beam. Now, the trick is to do this safely. I've seen other companies try to take out a beam and replace it and not do the engineering and see the whole roof either start to collapse, bend, or completely collapse. After 40 years of doing this, you get a feel for the strength of steel and what it takes to support things. That's not something you can get by looking at books. It's something you get by working out in the field for decades with this material and how it's put together and how it reacts under different stress situations. It's an unusual circumstance, but we know how to fix it. I'm Reich. I'm an architect and contractor. I'm the CEO of Reich Construction. We design and build pre-engineered steel buildings across the United States. Call us about your next project.